What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mr. Fulton, 7th grade social studies teacher at Long International Middle School. Please like, please subscribe in order to get the most out of this experience and e-learning during our quarantine. Y'all, welcome to e-learning. We're gonna have some sweet, fresh content for you. It's mostly gonna be located in one place and one place only, and that is your Microsoft Teams page. Every single one of your teachers has made a Teams page for their classes. They're gonna have activities. They're gonna have some videos. They're gonna have some games for you to play. All these awesome resources for you to keep going and keep growing and keep learning all those awesome things we had going inside the classroom. You know, it's a little different nowadays. We're doing stuff online. We're doing stuff from home. It's different. So we all got to work together. We all got to make sure it's working smooth and easy. You got any questions for me? You shoot me an email right here, tfulton2115@slps.org. My last name's Fulton, 2115@slps.org. That's my email. But what is yours? In order to reach me via email, you gotta have one. All of your teachers have given you a phone call, given you information about how to log into your email, how to access this team page. If you didn't get a phone call, please check the video I posted on the LIMS homepage. It's under Site Shortcuts on the left-hand side. Click it. Tutorial about accessing Teams. You got to use the information you got that has the number. You can't use the one that's your first name and your last name. It's got to have the number, okay? I want y'all to know that this is going to be something that might be a little different, but it's going to be something that's pretty exciting. We're going to have some sweet, fresh content almost every single day of every single week that we're here, and I really hope that we get through this super fast so I can see all of your brilliant minds and lovely faces back in the classroom, because that's where we ought to be. So please stay home, stay healthy, stay safe, give your family members some love, stay connected, because all this work starts on Monday, April 6th. Also, before I leave you, one last thing. Any work that you do, anything, you turn in a reading assignment, you finish a crossword puzzle, you do the word search, every inch of it is going to help you. Not a single grade that you get during this e-learning process is going to hurt you. If you had that C and you were grinding to get up to that B, all you got to do is grind it out here. You just got to keep the work up. Just got to keep that work up. We are here to help you in any way possible. You just got to be able to help yourself and commit to this e-learning instead of just going out and having a ball with all your homies. But you shouldn't be doing that anyway, because we're supposed to be staying at home, right? Right. So, thank you guys. Please, again, like, subscribe, hit that little bell icon to get those notifications from when we drop fresh new content. Peace, love, and happiness, y'all. And never forget, go Cubs!